happy Thursday, but I wasn't ready for it, so I decided to take over. Nick's Nightclub, West Coast swing dancing. Myself, talented Miss Stephanie. We're going to share with you. She might pop in with anything at any moment, so I'm not sure what's happening.
So keep him on his toes.
If you see it, just be prepared. Give us a like if you want to hear her talk. So we're going to show you a whip, snap whip. It's pretty cool. We like using this when there's a break in the music and it calls for that move, or at the end of a dance with someone. So definitely show this to your partner before you do it, because it does involve something rather quick that you do not want to make her unaware of. At least let her see it. Sugar push first. So we introduce a whip, your basic whip. 8 counts off the track, 1, 2, coaster, turn your back to where it began. Very basic, front to back, just that part. We're not going to do a sugar push. Guys off the track, okay? Turn her to the right and send her back to where she started. So this move does, she saw at the top. This move still starts out 4 counts whip. So that first part, on a sugar, bring forward. 5 and 6 off the track. 1, she turns 2, coaster, 3, and 4. Weighted for me on my left, weighted for her on her right. Just like a regular whip, but you got to get her there before you can get into the snap. So after 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? From this point on, it does change drastically. 5, 6, we're going to get to 4. So on 5, 6, you're going to take her right hand, put it behind her back for 5, okay? Turn to the right for 6. Now this is fast, but you guys, you got to get the hand change behind the back first. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. So it's better to go front to back so you can see that hand change. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5. So the hand change is as she's turning to the right, because this rest of it is so fast. The snap is to 6, so we're going to show it to you. It's really difficult to do slowly. So after sugar push, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So you didn't see the leg part, but we'll show you that in a second. So the hand change, it's a snap. You do need her to know what's coming, because if you try to whip around and you're aggressive with this, it's going to, don't. She just talked. So on a sugar push, we'll get into it again. Guys, off the track, like you would normally do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is where you would snap 6. And I'm putting her right hand back into my left as she's doing this spin. She's basically on her right foot. So going front to back. I go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And that snap, and I'm able to kick my leg out. Now she may not know that's coming, but that actually helps her also with her balance. Okay, she's also, she may not have it as far, but it's also keeping her steady. It's a real fast song. So on a sugar push to the snap to 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then what you're going to do is just raise your right leg up, guys, to a 7 and 8, which if she should mirror it, she'll come up and put her weight on her left foot, and then you guys are weighted to the next sugar, or the song comes to an end. So it's a cool snap. So into the snap, guys, make sure you get her back onto the track. Snap, turn. You guys, keep the hand low on the hand change, waist level, because she's going so fast that she's really relying on you, of course, to complete the turn. 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? Hope you like this. We teach it every year. Please give us a thumbs up. She's not talking as much as I thought she would, but she does talk when the video comes off, trust me. And don't forget to subscribe for a free video every week. We love you whole way through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, to 1. All right, it's a really cool move, one of the ones I've used in my whole life when I've been dancing. Hope you like it. Still not talking. Light comes on, it gets all quiet. But thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
Thanks, guys. Hope you like it again. Hope you use it. That's why we do it. Until next time, as always, have a great week.
Keep dancing.
I knew at that time. Bye.